Hi friends, I'm Patrina. Today we are going to find out how the piano is laid out, how to find the note C, and most importantly, how to find the middle C. Now why is it important? Because middle C is kind of like the home base of the piano. So once you know where it is, everything else starts to make so much more sense. And by the end of this video, you will be able to spot C anywhere on your piano without even thinking about it. Alright, so let's look at the piano. Now you're gonna notice how are the black keys grouped. You will always see them in sets of 2 and 3 repeating all the way up and down the piano. That pattern is your guide. Now the white keys sits underneath, but the black keys make it easy to find your way around. So now you're gonna try to tap the sets of 2 black keys and then the sets of 3 black keys. Do it a few times because this pattern is the key to unlocking the layout of the piano. Now here's the trick for finding C. Look out for any group of 2 black keys. The white key immediately to the left of that group is C. Super simple. 2 black keys, step to the left and you have got a C. So let's practice together. I'll play a beat and I want you to go across the whole piano and find all the C's. Left to right, nice and steady. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's find your first C. Next C going up. 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 Last C, let's do it. Now that you know how to find C anywhere on the piano, let's zoom in on middle C. On a full 88 key piano like you have seen on the screen, middle C is the 4th C from the left. Now on a 76 key keyboard, it is the 3rd C from the left. It's the same as a 61 key keyboard as well as a 49 key keyboard. It is all on the 3rd C from the left too. So the quick rule is start counting C from the very left, and depending on the keyboard size, you will land on your middle C. Alright, nice work! Now you can find C anywhere on the piano and you know exactly where middle C lives on your keyboard. Keep practicing and playing all your C's across the piano until it feels super natural. And if you want extra resources like chord sheets or diagrams to help you with your practice, I've got all of them on my Patreon, so I will drop the link in the description box below. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey there, thanks for watching, and I hope you find this video helpful. I've got more piano techniques, music theory, and tutorials coming your way, so stay tuned. If you think this channel is helping you reignite your passion for piano playing, do like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.